Alright, welcome to my channel, guys. This is me, Henry. Today I'm working on a 1997 Chevy Silverado 5.7 liter. Custom brought the vehicle to me because it has erratic RPM and stalling condition. So it had a bunch of codes on master flow sensor circuit and crank position sensor circuit and camshaft position sensor. I believe all these power is in the same circuit, and it was shorting the whole system down, and ECM was acting crazy. The vehicle just acting weird. Then I started looking at my RPMs. It was up and down like crazy, shooting flames and hiccups. The engine was like crazy, man. Everything was not right. Then I started looking at all my sensors. Check my master flow sensor is good. Ground and signal and power, everything was some specs. I checked my distributor trigger, everything was fine. I checked my ignition coil, it was fine. I checked my ignition system, my ignition module, it was fine. Then I move on to the crank position sensor. Then I find out that it was oil inside the connector, and it was like soaked on oil, and it was shorting the signal, and the car didn't start. But then I find out when I took it out that the sensor is hitting the crank trigger. I was like surprised. Then I find out I got a pinhole in it, and the oil went through and short the system down. Guys, whoever did this before, just put one in without notice that this sensor has to be shimmed. The new sensor comes with these two shims. You have to install on the new sensor. This one is spare that I had in my box, so I already installed the new ones. So if you notice here, I want to do it right. I got only one hand and I'm recording with my phone. So here is the sensor. You put one in. What I normally do is I put grease just on the tip. I put grease on it, put the sensor, and take it out. If the grease is marked, like squeeze out completely, so you need to add another one. So you can distance the sensor from the wheel, from the crank wheel, and won't do this again. So I hope these help you guys. Like I said, 5.7 LT1 model. I mean, I believe this happened in every other models that crankshaft position sensor goes in too much and it hits the crank wheel. So I hope this helped you guys. Alright, stay tuned.